Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and my name is Shubham. And the last video we have seen how to create a HTML template in WordPress and how to connect your HTML template to the WordPress. So now in this video we will see how to create shortcodes in WordPress and why we need to use a shortcode. So first thing is that we need to know what is shortcode. The shortcode, as its name tells us, it's a shortcode. And why we need to use a shortcode? For example, let me give you an example. For example, you have a template like an inquiry form, and you want this inquiry form to your some pages like a home page, blog page, and contact us page. Then what will you do? You will do such a thing like you can copy your code, then paste your home page, then again paste your blog page, then again copy and paste your another pages. So it will create take your time, and it will make your code complex and harder to understand. And if you need to change some changes, then you will go to the every page and change your content. So WordPress give you the facility to create a shortcode and put your template to the shortcode and call it anywhere of your WordPress pages. It will call the same thing. It will call JavaScript, PHP, anything, CSS related, anything you can call with the shortcodes. You can create, and also you can call your whole page of WordPress with the shortcode. So now I'm going to create a shortcode. So how you can create a shortcode? You can create a shortcode any page of your WordPress. So this is my WordPress project, and this is WP content, and the theme section. The theme I am using here, it is a travel agency. So the travel agency theme, and it have a function file. So every theme in a WordPress have a function file. So if you want to create a shortcode, you can create anywhere of your WordPress, but this file will be connected with your WordPress. So now I'm open this file and create my set shortcode of the end of the file. So now here, so WordPress function is to creating a shortcode, add shortcode, and it will need two arguments. The first is shortcode name and the second is callback function. So first is shortcode name. What will be my shortcode name? So I'm giving the shortcode name is shortcode underscore names. First argument is shortcode names always. This is what is your shortcode name, and the second argument is callback function. Callback functions and close. Now your shortcode is created, but it don't have a callback function. So here is your shortcode name. This is your shortcode name. You can call this shortcode any of your WordPress, any pages on your WordPress. It will call the what is the callback function we have created. It will return everything. So now I'm going to create function, callback function, and this is my function here. So now I'm writing here returning hello here for checking it is working or not. So now we are completely created our shortcode, and the shortcode is added, name is shortcode name, and the callback function is this, and it will return hello if I call the shortcode name. So I am going to create my WordPress page here, WordPress page, add a new page, and now I'm give the name of my shortcodes. And how can you call your shortcode? This is what I'm going to show you how to call your shortcode. It will be in a bracket, and here is your shortcode name. So now it's fine, and now I'm going to publish the page and publish. view page, So this is written me hello, and if I write something more things here, so what is it will return me? So now it is returning the everything in your shortcode. So you can call the dynamic data here, you can return anything, you can return HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and a whole template of your WordPress page, and anything you can call here. So this is the method how to call your shortcode in admin panel. But if you want to call your shortcode in your template file, then how will you call it? So now I'm going to show you how to call a shortcode in your template file. Now this is a template file we have created the last time. Now I'm delete everything from here, and this is my template. Let's check this template is attached or not. So yes, this template is a res template, and now I'm going to update. So this is blank now. So I'm going to call my shortcode here. So you need to write only two shortcode, and it need, what is your shortcode name? The shortcode name is brackets and your shortcode name, and now publish the page. Now save the page, and what you write in your shortcode. We are only write here the shortcode name, and it will return this thing here. So if you need to add the dynamic data, for example, I have a dynamic data get the ID. It's a WordPress function for get the current ID of a page. So this is 1753. It means this is my ID 1753, and this is my page, and this is the page ID. So you can call your anything, your dynamic data, and many things here. So this is how to create a shortcode, and it's a useful of WordPress, because WordPress known for the shortcodes. So thank you guys. If you like my video, so like it, and comment down below, and subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, you can comment on the comment section. Thank you very much.